If replacing 2 words is what your sales team calls personalization, I have just the thing you need. Video proposals. These close 3 to 5 times more than your cold emails, which, let's be honest, they go straight to the bin. PDF proposals that barely get skimmed for 30 seconds, and sales calls that eat 8 hours per week. But who's gonna make personalized videos for every prospect? We will. Today, we'll build personalized sales videos in Claude with the Clueso MCP. Clueso is an AI-powered video creation tool which can take any form of content and create a video in minutes. You can upload a rough screen recording, a PPT, a PDF, or just a simple prompt, and Clueso turns it into a video project. The Clueso MCP allows you to create videos with Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other AI agent. Using your existing systems on these platforms, you can set up multi-tool workflows, create content at scale, and edit every project end-to-end manually or with AI. Let's get into it. We need our AI agent to be connected to our customer relation management system. I'll be using HubSpot in this video along with Clueso, so let's get ahead and add it. Connecting the Clueso MCP takes less than a minute. Since we're working with Claude today, let's click on Customize and head to Connectors and add a custom connector. We'll name it Clueso and paste the Clueso MCP server URL right here. Now just click Add, sign into Clueso, and give tool permissions. Done. If you're working with Gemini, ChatGPT, Cursor, or VS Code instead of Claude, we've got a detailed setup video covering how to connect the Clueso MCP to all of the AI agents linked right here. The setup links for each are in the description below as well. Alright, first let's understand the workflow for one prospect before we scale. We'll have Claude pull the information from HubSpot, pull the contact and company details for Emily Chen from HubSpot. Research their company online, recent news, industry challenges, company size, anything relevant. Build a full prospect profile for me. Perfect. Now, let's have Claude call the Clueso MCP and build the entire video. We'll type, using the prospect profile above, create a personalized sales video for Emily on Clueso MCP. Open with their name and company, speak directly to their pain points, show how we've solved the same problem for companies like theirs, and close with a clear call to action. Under 90 seconds, confident and warm tone, relevant visuals, professional voice with emotion tags, subtle background music, and give me the output. Once the video is ready, draft a short outreach email too. We'll add our custom Claude skill as well. Now, the skill is basically a set of instructions we give Claude to follow. This makes it repeat a specific process or style every time we run it. We've built a skill ready for you to just plug and use, which gives Claude instructions like color palette, font, and overall visual style, so the output is always consistent. You can grab the skill from the description below. Let's hit enter. We'll see the Clueso MCP create the project with their name on the title card. Pick a professional AI voice, generate the voiceover with emotions, add relevant visuals, brand styling, and music. All without us even touching the mouse.
Hey Emily, this one's just for you. Atlassian's revenue jumped 32% last quarter with a serious all-in bet on enterprise and AI.
But that bet came with a leaner team. So Revenue Ops is now enabling a faster moving sales org. Then there's Ramp. Reps closing bigger, longer enterprise deals across Jira, Confluence, and Rovo.
Alright, our video is ready. The key difference is that we're demonstrating outcomes we achieved in their industry, not just features. This is what drives conversions. Once our project is ready, we can still jump in and edit anything. The script, the visuals, the voice, whatever we want to tweak. At last, Claude drafts the outreach email for us too. Alright, now that we've got the process down, we can go ahead and do this for our entire prospect list in one go. Just ask Claude to run the same workflow for every contact in this list. Done. I'll leave all the prompts in the description below so you can recreate this workflow easily. And that's it, folks. We spent years personalizing greetings. Turns out we should have been personalizing the proposals instead.